I'm so excited to be here announcing Mission Sprout, a collaboration between Swinburne University, the Australian Space Agency, myself as Australian of the Year, supported by the National Australia Day Council, which is about supporting teachers to excite young people about STEM through space by providing them with space-flown seeds that have been to space in these mission kits to do real space science in classrooms across Australia. Today we've provided 400 kits. We're going to provide 1,000 by the end of this school year through an EOI, hoping to reach 1 in 10 Australian schools.
We talked about the fact that STEM teachers are really important and that we have to encourage kids to get into STEM.
I was really impressed by the fact that she talked about all of the possible careers in space. So you don't just have to be an astronaut. You can be an engineer, you can be a doctor, you can be an agriculturalist. All possible areas of STEM we can use in space.
Hearing from Katherine excites me to use her learnings to bring back into the classroom to inspire young people to be wonderful scientists and strive to think of a future in space.
Space has an important role to play in helping young people to stick with STEM till they see what they're capable of. And who knows, with these Mission Sprout kits, perhaps we'll have some more Mark Watneys in the future.